Hey guys, what is up? Today I am going to be showing off something that I just recently purchased. In honor of Avengers Endgame coming out and blowing all of our minds, I decided that I wanted to cosplay as one of the characters from the film. Or I bought a few things, threw together a costume, and today I'm going to be showing you one of the things I bought for the costume and how I modified it and made it look a little bit better so that I could wear it to the screening of the movie. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started.
You know what? There's another name you might know me by. Starlord.
Who?
Starlord, man. Legendary outlaw.
That is right, the character I decided to dress up as is Starlord from the Guardians of the Galaxy. So the piece I got today, as you can see in front of me, is the X-Coser Starlord helmet. Now, unfortunately, when it arrived, it was a little bit bent. It's made out of a hard resin/latex, and so it is a little bit mendable. It will bend if you don't store it properly, and unfortunately during shipping it got a little misshapen. So I decided I wanted to show you guys how you can fix that if that does happen to something that you order. So all you're gonna need is a heat gun and some time and a little bit of patience. So that's what I have here. I have my two dual setting heat gun. You're gonna want to use the lower setting because the higher setting on that one, it's a little too hot. It can damage the plastic, so use the lower setting and heat the areas where you need to bend, and doing that it will give you some time where you can space it and kind of reshape it to the form you need. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and be doing here.